Today's an exciting day. We are opening a new piece of gear that just came in. As you've noticed from our channel, all of our cameras are Lumix, but today we're spreading our wings a little bit. We are trying a new brand with Fuji and also a photo forward camera. We pre-ordered it about 5 weeks ago and it's finally in, the Fujifilm X100VI. Two disclaimers for today's video. We wanted to take advantage of what's probably the first spring day in Vancouver, so we're filming outside, but apparently we're in a flight path because there have been airplanes just like nonstop. And the other thing is, I'm very self-conscious about it. I've busted a nail. I am missing a nail. But I'm heading to the nail salon right after this video to get it fixed. I just couldn't wait to open this camera and play with it. Let's dig in. While I like low-key try to hide my nail the whole time. Alright, so warranty paperwork. Little free trial from Capture One. Oh, there she is. Oh. Oh my gosh, it feels so good. It's so cute. Here's all my fingerprints on the screen. It's actually heavier than I thought it was going to be honest, but it's so tiny. I love. J'adore. Okay, what else? Oop. Oh, this is where they got fancy. Okay, so we just got the little strap connectors, a little cord, and the battery. Oh my gosh, it's tiny. So cute. Cool. Is this like savage that I'm just like throwing it all back in the box like this? Okay, at first look, this little like shutter button kind of looks like it needs a cap or something, but I'm not seeing one in the bag. So I'm gonna have to look into that. Maybe that's something you have to buy separately. First of all, of course, is the Fuji X100VI in the silver. And then we have the battery. Very exciting stuff here. And the charge cord. And the strap clips, I believe that's what those are called. And then this little Fujifilm kind of like faux leather strap, which is very cute, but I bought one on Amazon that's a little bit robust. And I think I'm actually gonna put that one on when I put this guy all together. The right way? Yes. All right, I will save you all the boredom of going through the menus and setting up the camera because it's super straightforward and easy. Other than that, we've connected our aftermarket strap. It is a Padua strap off Amazon, and it just like adds to the whole look because everyone knows the only reason you buy a Fuji is for the aesthetic. It just looks so cute with your outfits, and you can just walk around, take your pictures, have your Instas with it.